Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp chat. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the WhatsApp app. Once you're in WhatsApp, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to restore WhatsApp chat, first of all, you need to make sure that you have set up a backup on your Google account. In order to do that, here you can see the three dots icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now select the settings options from here. Once you're in the settings, here you can see the chats option. Tap on it. Now scroll down and here you can see chat backup option. Tap on it. In this backup page, here you can see Google account option. Tap on it. Make sure that you have selected at least one Google account to back up your chats. By doing this, your chats and messages will be backed up in your Google account and you can restore it when you reinstall your WhatsApp app. After you select your Google account, here you can see frequency section. Tap on it. You can choose when to back up your messages, whether daily, weekly or monthly. Now, I will go ahead and uninstall this WhatsApp app. After that, I will install WhatsApp again. I will launch the app again. You can select your language. Now log into the same account that you used before. And as you can see, now it will ask you to restore your WhatsApp chat. We have selected our Google account to back up our chats before, so it will restore our chats from the Google account. Simply tap on this restore button and now your chats will be restored. You can tap on next. So that's it. That's how you can restore your WhatsApp chat easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.